I'm celebrity makeup artist Kamara A. Unique, and today we're creating an easy, luminous look with the Going Places makeup kit. First, I'll take the Lid Glow Cream Shadow in Solar. I'm gonna swipe the applicator on my lid, and I love that this beautiful gold color really looks good on my skin tone. I'm gonna use my ring finger to press the color in. I love how it gives me a soft glow where it looks like I put a little bit of gloss on my lid. What I love about this product is that it's so buildable. So I'm just gonna take a little bit more of the product and just pat it onto my lid and right in the corner of my eyes. And this instantly brightens my eyes. I love how soothing and hydrating it is. Next up, I wanna use the Think Big-All-In-One Mascara. What I love about Beautycounter's Think Big-All-In-One Mascara is that it's like 3 mascaras in one. It lifts, lengthens, and adds volume instantly. Using this brush, I like to start from the waterline and wiggle my way all the way up to the tip. Now, because we're going for a more dramatic look, I'm gonna add a little bit more mascara, another coat of mascara. Then for my lips, I add Beyond Gloss in Lotus Shimmer, the perfect warm berry rose shade. It looks so juicy and smells amazing. Look at this color though. Look how pretty this looks on my lips. It feels like my natural lip color. Ain't she cute? And that's the finished look, y'all. It's so easy, and you could just toss these products in your bag for touch-ups, travel, and all of your plans. Happy holidays!